Hi, and thank you for watching. So for today's video, we are under the Christmas tree. I just have a gift idea slash unboxing that I really wanted to share. It's a pretty typical gift to get people pajamas, but I have really good ones that are actually going to make people really excited. I have a bunch, but I wanted to do a Victoria's Secret unboxing. I get so nostalgic thinking about the Victoria's Secret fashion show. Season 1 Gossip Girl, they had like all the Victoria's Secret boxes under their tree and all that. So I have one and I want to unbox it with you. This is not the classic packaging, really pretty like blush pink and black box, obviously. And I just wanted to unbox this because I think it's really cute. So I purchased this online. I think when I purchased these pajamas, they were 40% off, which you don't usually really see, but they have so many different sales right now. I suggest you go into Victoria's Secret. It's probably too late to purchase online, although this did come pretty quickly. I think you should go shopping. And if you go to the mall, do it on a weekday or like an off hour, because I went to go grab takeout on a Saturday and oh my goodness, it is packed out there. So this package, does it say anything about the box? So the Victoria's Secret gift wrapping was $5, so that comes with this box, this bow, and this card that you can personalize. How cute is that? Inside I just wrote sweet dreams. That you can write whatever you like in here. This doesn't even have to be a Christmas present. I just love these pajamas. They're not like the most foolproof gift to get somebody because you have to know their size. Family members usually get you pajamas, or somebody will get you pajamas or slippers or something like that. But Victoria's Secret personally are my favorite. Sleeping in them is like nothing you've ever felt. If you don't own these already, you definitely should. If you already do, you should purchase more. I cannot have enough. Here it is, pink tissue, of course. So cute. And I purchased 3 sets. So first, purchased this white pair with like, I don't know, it gives me kind of Dior vibes, or kind of like, what is it called, like a toile? I'm not really sure. But this print is so beautiful. I purchased this in a size medium. And like I said, these were 40% off at the time of purchase. If you know the person's bra size, or if you're shopping for yourself and you know your bra size, you should go to Victoria's Secret. They've turned underrated, in my opinion. Here is the set. How cute is this? Long sleeve. I might even wear these on Christmas. These are too cute. I think they're really classy looking and they're light. I love how silky they are, but they're not that like fakey fake feeling. And I don't know, it just feels so luxurious no matter what bed sheets you have. If you're wearing these, so good. I love these pajamas. I used to roll my pants like that when I was younger, but I just wear them high waist like that. Super cute. I look like it's Christmas morning. I think that these are actually what I'm going to wear for Christmas. So these are so cute, and I just like the color. I think it looks really expensive. I think you look fancy. I love being a homeowner and walking around in silky silk pajamas. And then I purchased another set in hot pink because why not? Oh, how cute. The lining, it's like lined with a little bit of cheetah. I love cheetah and pink. I love cheetah and red. It's just like a little bit, not tacky, but well, like, okay, yeah, no, totally tacky. I just love it. But this is the same thing, also in a size medium. So cute. This is like really hot pink. I have like pops of this on my Instagram, so I wanted to do this for the gram. I'm assuming I'll have some pajama photos. I don't know. But how cute is this? I love hot pink. This just looks really cute. I don't usually wear this color like in life, but I like to have fun with my pajamas. You could definitely see this. And something I really like about sets too is like you can wear the pants with a camisole. You can wear the top with shorts or just undies, like whatever floats your boat, you know? They're so cute. I feel like a luxurious woman. So luxury. It's like so silky smooth. Oh, there's pockets, real pockets. Oh my gosh. Too cute. Really nice hot pink. See the detailing here? Makes me feel like I should like walk around my house like this, like, oh. How cute. Maybe I'll wear these on Christmas. This is cute. No matter what the weather is, you can wear these in the winter when my heater is going and I'm bundled up in sheets. I don't also want really thick flannel pajamas. That to me would be like too warm. So these are perfect because they kind of like cool you a little bit. One more and it's a little different. So this is a set, but it is shorts and a short sleeve shirt. I like to cook. It's just easier for cooking and cleaning to have short sleeve, and you can wear this with these shorts or you can wear these separate. Again, I think it's such a good idea. Like I would like to wear these shorts with a big sweater like I have on now. That's a pair that I love to do. Or you can wear the short sleeve shirt with sweats. Just all the possibilities are endless. This is like a blue, like a teal and navy blue stripe with white cursive writing that says Victoria's Secret. So cute. And then like the white little like piping. I love this print. I think it looks really cute. And then the short sleeve collared shirt. Really, really, really cute. It's giving me like vacation vibes. I don't cook that often, but when I do, like I feel like my only options are like a camisole. So I just wanted another length of sleeve and then another pair of shorts. Ooh, I look like I'm on vacation. I look like a boy on vacation. This actually doesn't, like, I honestly think this is more like house clothes than pajamas. I would definitely sleep in them though. So maybe they're both, but I could definitely see myself wearing these during like house cleaning adventures, you know, cooking adventures. Yeah, I would love to receive these as presents. Are you serious? These are like the best gifts. I know myself too well. These are the best. So that's super cute. I would wear this with a white camisole, blue camisole. Possibilities are endless. And then this shirt, of course, just really easy, super cute. I also get really warm, like just if I'm like doing a task, but I'm at home and I don't want to wear like clothes. I just want to be in my house clothes. I just wanted one set of shorts and short sleeves. I thought my dog was here. Oh, look at this gift under the tree that I have. She's so cute. She always does that. But yeah, I really like Victoria's Secret. I wanted to share this and I wanted to do a video, a super themed video, like right under the tree. How cute. This is a present that like I would either get for myself, which I obviously did, or like just someone you really know, because sizing is pretty forgiving in pajamas, but you don't want to get it wrong. You know what I mean? These all are medium. The box is really cute, perfect presentation. You don't even have to wrap it for $5, which I think is a great idea. And then you can fill out a card too. Cute as that. It just seems really luxe. It looks so cute under the tree. Just want to make it easy for you guys because it's all set up. You don't even have to wrap it. So yeah, that is my unboxing for some of my favorite presents to myself this year. Some Victoria's Secret pajamas. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video.